Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some very interesting and exciting news. So if you're a CG artist, a startup, or maybe a hobbyist, you might want to check this one out. The folks at XPPen have announced their ArtStar program, which is a grant project to enable and also help CG artists, startup studios, and also enthusiasts to create their dreams. So if you're into creating stuff, probably you lack the fund, you lack equipment, or maybe you're looking for that particular kind of resource that can help you hone your skill, or maybe you are looking for some free tutorial training that can get you up to speed. The folks at XPPen are here to support you and also help you as an artist realize your dreams. And at the same time, the ArtStar program is geared to promoting the development of CG around the globe and also contributes to a rapid and healthy development within the CG community. Now, there's a couple of studios and companies that are backing this up to actually make it possible, and they include the CIOFF, ArtStation, Adobe Authorized Training Center, ACM, SIGGRAPH, Moho Pro, Kumuricon, WingFox, and so much more. So for you to get into this is very easy. You can simply go over to the link in the description and download the dream plan template, and you can proceed to submit your project. Submission is only valid from now till the 15th of September. Evaluation will proceed from the 16th of September all the way to 31st of October, and early November 2021 you will be notified if you've won. Now, it's quite interesting to note that if you're a CG hobbyist, CG pro content creator, or CG studio, there are certain things that are expected of you once you would like to apply. Now, it also makes a lot of sense to also consider the fact that you're not only going to be supported by funds, you're also going to be supported by equipment, courses, traffic, and also software. So in most cases, the ArtStar partners will actually help you amplify your social media accounts. And for those that might be needing funds, you can also simply come through and apply for support right here. Now, applying for support is quite easy, as all you need to do is click on this button and it's going to bring you right over to a page here where you can apply for support as either a CG hobbyist, a pro content creator, or a studio. And hitting the apply button will bring you up to a brand new page where you can apply and actually put in several informations that will be required of you. So this is literally easy to get started with. So for those who are thinking about getting empowered, or probably you're thinking about ways to get supported so that you can achieve your dreams, the folks at XPPen alongside with your partners are looking for ways to actually make your dreams come true. And I did reach out to the folks at XPPen to confirm this and also get some certain understanding of how this one gets to work. And they also have something pretty cool which is accompanied with this. For those who would like to win for themselves the XPPen Artist 12 Pro, there's actually a little thing that you can do that can put you in line to winning this. First of all, you need to follow up with the ArtStar program team official YouTube channel. You need to also follow the askNK channel and comment ArtStar within the comment section, apply for the program, and also note that you've learned about this from askNK, and that is all you need to do. I'm going to put a link in the description, and also a couple of things that you need to note for you to stand the chance of winning the XPPen Artist 12 Pro. And with that said, good luck to everyone. So this is more like it. The folks at XPPen alongside with their partners have created the ArtStar project so you can stand the chance of getting your next project supported and also funded. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. For those who want to join this, you want to download the dream template, or probably you want to stand the chance of winning the XPPen Artist 12 Pro. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.